Hey guys, so I just woke up. I'm going to go walk around. So I'll see you in a minute. Oh god. Okay guys, so um, I woke up and I came home to little baby hurting his arm. It's my dog, so stop it, Igora. This is my puppy, and that happened to his arm. You got a cast on it. Did you hurt your arm? Did you hurt your arm? Yeah. Okay, so he hurt his arm, and I'm really tired. I'm gonna do a little walking around later, and yeah. So let's get this day started. Oh, why did I not introduce? Hello guys, my name is subscribe and like, drop a like. Let's get on with the video. Okay, 1 second. Okay. I'm going to go walk outside now. Okay guys, so to get on with the video, we're going to go. First we're going to start walking around today, and I'm really outside. Tired. A lot of work, guys. If you guys didn't know, it's been quite a bit of a time today. And Mari, hello, where you have what? So, I'm going to my garden. We have a pretty big garden. I would say we do, because it's big. And nobody's here. Good. Great. So we have a whole bunch of plants and stuff behind me. As if you guys didn't know. Yeah, quite a bit. So guys, as you guys can see, we have a lot of material, guys, and I don't think I like introducing anybody to my channel. I feel like it's an invade of privacy, and I feel like to introduce someone, you really got to accept who you are going with. But later in life, you'll just realize that's it. You just have to go on with your life. And Roman Atwood gave me the courage to actually start my YouTube channel. He knows how when he vlogs, he shows no momentum. Like I don't know how to vlog. That's how I was, and I'll be like, well, I can't do this. It's scary because you're talking to your camera. I mean, what else is in life? I mean, life is life, and you have to work through it. But we're gonna go check the mail. Okay. Okay, guys, I have my hands here, and let's see if there's any mail. No mail, guys. No mail. Okay, guys. So, I'm going to get ready, and I will see you guys later. Bye. So yeah, I'm back outside. Okay, if you guys can tell the difference, what's on me is my voice. A few hours have passed, and I'm kind of sick, but I'll try talking with my regular voice if I can, but it hurts, and I don't know if you guys can hear me. I have a regular voice, and then I have my sick voice, but my throat hurts, like, really bad. Okay, guys, so, we have our marathon vlog. Okay, guys, so, as you guys don't know, I did a challenge lately, but it's not on my channel. It's on Team A channel. It made me this burn, and it hurt. Very clearly, I think it hurt. Okay, guys, so. Through here. Bear's box. Must introduce. She's sleeping. Lay not. He's being stupid. Get back to the. It ain't no